Paano kayo nagkakilala, Gia?
Nagkakilala kami sa BGC. So, nag-work ako sa SM Aura. Tapos, ayun. So, nagkita kami doon. In-invite niya akong mag-coffee. So, ayun. Parang the time, parang naging friends kami. And then, so, hindi kami masyado na nag-uusap like everyday, ganyan. So, on and off yung communication namin. And then, merong mga months talaga na it's like, I don't know, it's like more than a year na we didn't talk. And then, ayun, parang nangyari nga, yung sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina na, wala lang, parang na-message ko lang siya bigla. Tapos the time pala is nasa Italy siya. So sabi niya, babalik siya ng Pilipinas. So okay, let's just meet. So ayun, pinuntahan naman niya ako dun sa work ko sa SM Mora. Tapos ayun na, nag-continuous na. So parang, hindi ko alam kung kami na ba or hindi. Pero parang, yun, nalaman ko lang, napunta na kami sa ganon, na girlfriend na niya ako, boyfriend ko na siya. So, parang wala talagang, I can't even remember that he asked me can I be your girlfriend? Something like that. I don't know, I forgot.
It just happened.
Yeah, it just happened.
During your first meeting with Melody Gio, do you have like this? Oh, she's the girl that I'm gonna be with.
Well, she was really beautiful. She still is, of
You said-
course. No, I'm just telling the truth. But yeah, of course, I cannot know that time that she's gonna be my wife and gonna be forming a family together because, beautiful is important, but what is more important is what you have in the heart, right? So, yeah, I mean, I like her from day one, but then, we got meeting each other and knowing each other and then try to mix our cultures. So it's been challenging, but then day by day I realized that she was the one.
Here in the Philippines, we have like the legal portion. Are you familiar with legal?
It's like courting. You have to court.
You need to court the girl that you want.
Did I court you?
Wala.
You undergo with the process like courting.
We did, but she was really busy actually working, and I was busy working as well. We were both based in Manila at that time, so I was running my company. She was working, and she said I didn't court her, but I did.
Hindi, parang ganito lang yung nangyari kasi. Parang, so, nag-work ako. So, ang work ko kasi, wala akong day off ng Saturday, Sunday. So, meron lang akong one day off sa isang linggo na weekdays pa. So, siya, normally, Saturday, Sunday, wala siyang trabaho. So, ang ginagawa niya, pumupunta siya ng Puerto Galera sa Mindoro. So, madalas doon talaga siya laging pumupunta ng weekend. So, ang nangyayari, pag day off ko, doon pa lang niya ako message na, oh, you wanna go to my place? Ganyan. Okay, let's have some dinner together. So, parang ganun lang yung naging setup. So, parang nangyayari, minsan, sa isang linggo, isang beses lang talaga kami nagkikita. At saka, alam mo ba, hindi ko na-experience na, alam mo yun, dadalang ka ng flowers. Alam mo yung gano'n. So, kahit ngayon na magkasama na kami, so, parang, kung hindi pa ako, can you just buy me a flowers?
Totoo na lang. Walang flower, pero mas importante may respect to support. So that's it's always there. I think almost 2 years before we reached that point, right? Yes. And I have a tragic event in my family, and then that made me realize a lot how important Melody was in my life. That's probably was the turning point where I decided from my side, to get closer to her, and then, of course, in 2 years I know her more. I saw how hardworking was, and that's really important when you want to grow together and set up a family, right?
You grew up in Italy, and Melody grew up in the province, particularly grew up in the Philippines, particularly in the province of Marinduque. So you guys have different culture, different maybe beliefs, no? But what are the challenges when you guys decided to live together?
That's a good question, and yeah, I agree. I mean, we have two different cultures, but I can say that I'm from Italy. So Italy is a Catholic country with Christian roots as well. So the important values are there. So family, being Christian inside, and the important respect for the older people. That's actually the same. So that's the base of everything for me. And I cannot stay with someone that doesn't believe in this value. So let's say the Philippines and Italy, they are not that far away. But of course, we are from those different countries. So from the day by day, challenges, it's been hard, and it's hard until now. Sometimes we don't agree about things because I think in a way, she think in another way. But I try to adjust to Philippine culture, and she try to adjust to my culture. And to be honest, I'm Italian, but I live here for 12 years, so I'm kind of Filipino inside now. So it's not really that hard anymore.
Alam mo, sobrang hirap talaga. Ang hirap mag-adjust, actually. So, si Gio kasi, so, parang nasanay siya na kailangan sa umaga, pag gigising mo, magiging masaya ka, mag-greet ka ng good morning. Alam mo, kailangan meron kang smile sa mukha mo.
Happy feeling.
Kailangan happy, kailangan good vibes lagi. So, hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba or kaming mga babae or sakit na namin mga babae na meron talagang araw na, di ba, parang you feel so down, parang wala namang ginagawa sa'yo, pero bakit ang lungkot mo? So, hindi ko alam kung ako lang yung nakakaramdam nung dahil baliw ako or ewan ko. So, yun yung sinasabi niya sa akin minsan, you know what, I think you have a psychological problem. Kasi, you just get mad without any reason. So, sabi ko, feeling
That's
ko,
women.
yeah, so siguro ganon. So yun, laging madalas naming pinagtatalunan yung ganon. So pagdating din sa kanya, gusto niya pagdating sa pagkain, so gusto niya family, pagkakain na, okay, no phone. So kailangan maayos ang setup ng table. So nito, kailangan maayos kung saan nakalagay. Yes, kung saan nakalagay yung mga kutsara, tinidor, ganyan. Kailangan maayos, may tissue, may water na. Hindi na kailangan na tatawag ka pa ng isang bahay. Parang, ate, yung tubig, ganyan-ganyan. So, kailangan pag upo mo ng table, is maayos na. So, lumaki ako na mabilis yung trabaho ko. Alam mo yun, kakain na lang ako pag gusto kong kumain. So, parang nasanay ako na gano'n. Sa kanya, kailangan ko talagang ayusin. Yes.
Kasi mas importante family time. Quality family time. Sit all together, talk each other. Bawal ang cellphone talaga. Ayokong ganun. I want to talk to my wife, to our kids. And, something that they get lost a bit nowadays, no? But it's important.
Nung nag-meet mo si Gio, sabi mo ba siya na?
Actually, hindi ko alam. So, to be honest. So, sabi nga nila, hindi mo makikilala yung isang tao kung hindi pa siya nakakasama. So, yun, nung nakasama ko na siya, so sabi niya sa akin lagi, kahit anong pangyari, no matter what happened, no matter what big, kung gaano man kalaki ang problema na harapin natin sa buhay, kailangan magkasama pa rin tayo. So, we always say that we will not going to be separated. So, bawal na maghiwalay tayong dalawa. So, ayun. So, parang, oo. Alam mo yun, parang ayoko na. Parang andito na ako, andyan siya, I know, mahal na mahal niya. Di ba? You love me. So,
Outside.
Yung mga nanonood dito sa ating programa, talagang kinikilig. Kung may mga napapanood kami siguro, o marahil na mga nagba-viral, na mga AFAM na nakakasawa ng Pilipina o ng Pinay, ito talaga actual nating nakapanayam. At siguro, papasabi na lamang yung mga kababayan natin, ikaw